नमस्कार, मैं हूं हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया में, जो कि हो रहा है भारत मंडपम में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज ने। तो व्हाट इज़ योर विजन एंड मिशन फॉर निफ्टम फॉर नेक्स्ट 5 years?
Niftam Tanjavur, it was originally a paddy processing research center. Started in 67, but it has grown leaps and bounds. From a small research center for paddy, it has become an institute of national importance now as a Niftam Tanjavur by Act of Parliament from 2021. Earlier it was called as Indian Institute of Crop Processing Technology, Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology from 2017, and now it is called from 2021 as NIFTM, National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, Tanjavur. There are two NIFTMs, one in Kundli, Sonipat, and other one is in Tanjavur. We have a academic program, a big research program, and then a transfer of technology program as well. And we are well known for transfer of technology and research, and we have a BTech food technology program where we admit the students through JOSA. With JEE entrance examination, we take 90 students of for food processing technology across India. We take, and in masters we have 3 master degree programs in food technology. One is food process engineering, food process technology, then food quality, safety and quality assurance. These 3 disciplines we have PhD programs as well, and we take the students through GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, conducted by IITs. Then also we have our own entrance. If we don't get sufficient GATE students, we take through our own entrance also. This academic program is only 30% or 1/3 of our portfolio. We have a sound research portfolio where our faculty take many industrial projects, also funded by many international agencies. We have collaboration with very big companies like PepsiCo, ITC. All those people give support our fund. They fund it for doing research, and again we have developed so many technologies. And the last count, about 146 technologies have already come out from this Niftam Tanjavur, and we have commercialized 33 technologies, some of them recently, and each technology varies, cost varies, and for development also we get support from industry and many organizations. And after taking the technology, we handhold many companies, entrepreneurs, maybe self-help groups of women, farmers associations, or small-time entrepreneurs. They take our technology, we train them. We have a very good incubation center, and they can depending upon their requirement, maybe 3 days, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, they can do incubation in our facility, very small charge. And if they take our technology, we give free. If they are our own alumni students, then it is free for them. They can become entrepreneurs. This technology incubation center is very famous throughout the India. All the states we get people for training in our incubation center. We make many entrepreneurs. Just in the beside us there is a cookie man stall. That man is our entrepreneur incubating. He is now exporting millet cookies to 7-8 countries, and not even 10 SSLC pass. Like that, we have many entrepreneurs, and we have in a pavilion here where we have displayed all entrepreneur products, our incubative products, and all our products are displayed here. And we are very strong in development of machinery for processing. And you have seen many machines we have here. Now here in our pavilion, apart from some of the machines are displayed in our ministry pavilion, we have a cold plasma, that is a unit, which is the latest technology in food processing. It is one among the 7 laboratories working around the world. In that technology, we are treating the products without much heat. And then we have a NERA processing. It's all patented technologies. Processing unit where this NERA, which comes from the flower, of the coconut or date palm or palmyra palm, spadix, we have to tap the nira. That is converted into a sugar or crystals, which is very valued in Ayurvedic medicines and other places. They are very healthy sugars with a less amount of less glycemic index as well. And we had a pasta making unit from millet that is also displayed in the Mafi Pavilion. Then we have displayed from waste biodegradable cups and tea trays we are making using our own machine. That is base material is to replace plastics. And from based on agro waste and the industrial food processing waste, we are adding a cellulosic material as a binder, and then we are making cups. That is also displayed. They're all in demonstration. Apart from that, in our own Niftam Tanjavur Pavilion, we have many machineries displayed. You have a puffing machine for many millets, rice, popcorn, anything. It's a small unit. It is without any sand dust. The popped product doesn't have any sand dust, so it's safe for weaning food. For children and all, no, there will be no sand particle adhere to the popped product. That machine is also on a display. Then we have a moringa processing line. We have developed many technologies in moringa, which is very popular nowadays throughout the world. We have many products, and then moringa cutting in the fruit, the long moringa fruit into small optimum pieces for minimal processing. Then we have a moringa leaf separator, and then we have a moringa pulp extractor for making many products. We have 3 machines displayed there, and we have a fruits and vegetable coating machine also under display. Apart from that, we have many of our products are under display. Now we are displayed all those products. Nearly about 150 products are which we have developed or displayed, and then our entrepreneurs products, incubative products we have displayed. All these things you can see in the pavilion. And we have all videos, most of the PMFE videos, which is formalization of Prime Minister's formalization of micro food business, food enterprises, that entire capacity building program of the country. Now we have developed all those material. Training material, videos, PowerPoints. Now we have a DPRs, detailed project reports for an entrepreneur. We have uploaded in the website, in our website as well as ministry's website. Anybody can become an entrepreneur after seeing that. We will handhold them. We give capacity building training to them. So this is our Niftam in short for you. Thank you very much.
So much.